Hi, I'm Jed Ryan. I am the warehouse supervisor here at Taipan in Caboolture. The integration between Wise and the modular stacker means that we can just click on the order that we need to process, pick it, pack it. It's a simple process as opposed to walking around the warehouse and picking it like we used to do. I enjoy using the modular system. As I said, we can stop mid-orders. We're able to pick when we need for walk-in customers. It helps us do our day-to-day in a more efficient manner. So the peripherals that we get with our modular stacker is the LED bar as well as a description diagram on our Copilot. Using both of those, we're able to locate the item that we need very quickly and efficiently. Three main benefits we have with the machine is quick picking, ease of use, so anyone we have here can use it, as well as if we need any help, we always have the modular team on hand.
So I'm Troy. I look after the distribution centre, Rockley and the Caboolture branch. So we supply adapters, hose tails and hose out to customers. We also manufacture hose kits. We deal with many customers from oil and gas right through to the ag industry. When we open up a new branch, so one of the first equipment we buy is modular, and the layout is set up the same for all branches. Since we've had the modular vertical lift machine, we've doubled just about in our sales, but we still have the same amount of pickers to this day, so it's made it, beneficial. We've got the trays set out the same way as our shelves. We do this for easy stock taking purposes. Since we've had the modular, it's been a lot easier to pick from as opposed to walking around looking for different items up and down aisles.